Subtract 5x from the quotient of y divided by 16. Okay? So even in your English, subtract 2 from 5 is 5 minus 2 or 2 minus 5? 可以 Subtract 2 from 5 is 2 minus 5 or 5 minus 2. Okay? So subtract 5x from whatever that is behind means that we must write whatever that is they say behind, then we subtract 5x. Okay? So this is just English. So y divided by 16. Just y divided by 16. Divide the square of a by b. So we have to first square a. Just like square of 2 is 2 square, square of 3 is 3 square, square of a is a square. Then we are supposed to divide the square of a by b. So a square divided by b.
You write one line, one line, not the other. Right. A square divided by b.
You can also write a square divided by b.
Okay.
They are the same.
Some teachers don't allow.
Where got teacher don't allow?
Last time my teacher teach us a little bit at the end of the year. He said, I tell you to write the what is it called? What is this box called?
Last box.
Oh,
Fraction.
He said, I tell you to write fraction, then write fraction. Then I said, the question you give never write, say you to write fraction. Then he said, tell you to write, then write. Tell her.
Oh, okay. Maybe she got special liking for writing plus form. But actually they mean the same thing. Okay. Part D. Multiply b by the product of 7 and t squared. Okay, so we know that we have to multiply b by something. So what is the something? The something is the product of 7 and t squared. T squared is t squared. 7 is 7. Product means multiply. Okay? Maybe this part you all may have forgotten. Product is multiply. So 7 times t squared multiply b by the product of 7 and t squared. So b times 7 times t squared. Okay? This line can be further simplified. It is the same. Remember, we can don't write the cross when it is multiplication. So we can also write it as b times 7 t squared. Correct? Multiply b by the product of 7 and t squared. When it is time, we can don't write time. When it is time, we can don't write time. Okay? Then now, one other common rule. We usually wouldn't write alphabet, number, alphabet. Usually we will put all the numbers within all these multiplication, numbers put at the front. So we will write 7 first. Okay? Then all the alphabet, all the unknown symbols put behind. By what order? Just like your alphabet, A comes before B, B comes before C, we will also usually go by the order of alphabet. So B7T square, we will write 7 followed by B followed by T square. Okay? They are all the same. All these here, they will give you the same result. Because, again, this is back to numbers. 1 times 2 times 3 is no different from 2 times 1 times 3. Is no different from 3 times 1 times 2. Is no different from 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? Or 1 times 3 times 2. All these are the same. Correct? 1 times 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 times 3 also equals to 6. 3 times 1 times 3 also equal to 6. This is also equal to 6. So multiplication all along, even for numbers, which one right in front, which one right behind, they also are the same. Because all multiplication, same importance, same priority. So for even when alphabets come in, it is also the same. B times 7 times T square first, or B times 7 or 7 first, then followed by B followed by T square, all the same. We can also write 7T square B. Just that today you learn the convention is to write numbers first, then the alphabet follow alphabet order, alphabetical order. So number, it is still multiplication, then just number followed by B followed by T square. Multiply multiply 8 by the product of M squared and N squared. Okay, so we are going to multiply 8 by product, again is multiplication. M squared is M to the power of 2, product of M squared and N squared. Okay, simplify 8M squared N squared like that only. Okay. Algebra, so easy. Where got hell? Okay, come, for example. Next page. Okay? Come take a look at work example 2. Usually, it is not the mathematics or algebra that is difficult. Usually, it is the English that is difficult. Okay? So, when your algebra not good, it's actually your English teacher's fault. Okay, Kelly is X years old. Her father is twice as old as her. Let us write it down. Kelly, X years old. Her father is twice as old as her. So if I want to first write down Kelly father age, twice as old as her, X must multiply by a number, right? Twice as old, so X must multiply by 2. Yeah, lor. So Kelly father is 2x years old. As simple as that. Her mother is Y years younger than her father. Younger. So Kelly father, you already know it is 2x. Kelly mother is Y younger than this. So it must be 2x minus Y lor. Kelly brother half as old as her mother. So half of this, half of 4 is 4 divided by 2. Half of 8 is 8 divided by 2. Half of this whole thing is this whole thing divided by 2 lor. Okay? Write down an expression in terms of X and Y for the age of Kelly's brother. Or done already lor. Okay? Where got difficult? Okay. Before we go into the other topic, let us just think through some of these questions. Now that you have known what algebra means, algebra, the alphabets are just a number. Can you try and think whether the two things are the same or different? By your understanding enough already. 2n and 2 plus n, are they the same or different? Compared to 2 plus n. Same we put a tick, cross. Different we put a cross. 2n and 2 plus n.
Same.
Same. Okay? Xuanle say same. Alphonse say not same. Same, put up your right hand. Not same, put up your left hand. Okay. Those no hand one is. Okay, can put down your hand already. N. Do you know what is N?
No.
We only know it is a number, right? Okay? So, for some numbers, they can be the same. For example, if n is 2, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 also equals to 4. Okay? But this is only one special case of n. Right now, when you don't know what is n,
It's not the same.
what if n is 3? Then 2n will be 2 times 3 equals to 6. 2 plus 3 will be equals to 5. They will be different. Okay? So, when we say same or different, we are saying whether they are the same for any n. Any n also same means it is not. Okay? So they are not the same. They are sometimes the same, but almost all other times they are different. So we must say they are not the same. There is only one specific case that they are the same. Okay? For all other different n, because at first we don't know what is n one. Okay? What if n is 0? Then 2 times 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. They are also not the same. So we must say in general they are not the same. By meaning they are not the same. Okay? Okay? So when we say same or different, it is by the meaning whether they are same or different. What about n plus n and 2n? Same, put up right hand. Not the same, put up left hand. Vivian, same, different. Same, same, same. Okay. Okay? I think almost everyone also know it is the same. Okay, come. You don't think it's the same? Okay. In the first place, let us go back.